Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot access shared folder in Windows 11. It's a very easy fix. First, I want you to come here and click on search, okay? And then just type in control panel. And we are going to open this up. So open up control panel, and then I'll show you what we need to do. Come here and click on network and internet, okay? Once you click on this, I want you to click on network and sharing center. And from here, what we are going to do is we are going to change the advanced sharing settings. Okay, click on this one, this option right here. And what we'll need to do from the section is to turn on the file sharing under all of these. So private, okay, guest, public, everything. Turn on these: network discovery and file sharing and printer sharing. Turn these on and then go ahead and save your changes. Next, I want you to make sure that you have given security permissions, okay? If you don't have the correct security permission, that can cause issues. So let's say this is the shared folder, right? You just go ahead and right click on this, right? And then click on properties. And then I'll show you what we need to do once we do that. So come here, click on properties, go to the sharing tab, okay? Now here under securities, you can go here under sharing, click on advanced sharing. And what I will do, once this opens up, I'll show you exactly what we need to do. So click on share this folder. This will be the folder name. And you can change the permissions. So I'll make sure that everyone, okay, I'll add this group name. So this will be the group. If there's other objects and groups you can add, you can do that. So I'll go ahead and allow all of these permissions for this. And then you just click on apply and then click on OK. And that'll fix your issues. Really that easy and simple. Try these fixes and it should work. Make sure you subscribe and smash the like button for Sasha Gemar.